This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Brand new carpet has been ordered and will be installed by seller. An impressive large backyard takes center stage. Step inside to an open foyer and open concept living. The kitchen has ample counter space with Corian countertop. The kitchen opens to the living space, great for entertaining and everyday living. Upstairs find 4 spacious bedrooms. Explore the amazing common ground areas in your neighborhood, or take a stroll to the highly sought after shops and eateries of Downtown Smithfield. Pack your walking shoes and explore the beautiful trails of Windsor Castle Park. For more information, review the details below.